Hello friends, for the upcoming IMO exam, let's start this video series with revision and concept understanding of chapter-wise concept understanding and practice questions. So we will start with chapter 1, which is number sense, and it covers number and number names. You can see here place value and face value, expanded form and short form, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order, forming numbers with and without repetition of digits. So from these six topics that we are going to cover in this video series, you will be asked questions, and we'll start with the concept understanding, and then we'll do the few practice questions, and then we'll come to the exercise. So in this video series, I will not only explain you the concept of the each chapter, but will also solve the questions given in the exercise. So let's get started. Let's start with the first topic, that is number and number names. What exactly number and number names mean? So it's very simple. Let's say there is a number given. Okay. Let's say there is a number given 95563. Okay. Now, what exactly it means that number and number names, each position of this number, what is the digit that it is placed at? So that is called number names. For example, let's start from the right hand side. It starts with ones, then it starts with tens, next is hundred, and next to that is thousands. So, as I said, let's start with the right hand side, which is ones, and then tens, and then hundreds, and then thousands. Okay, thousands. So, in the given example, 9563, let's start with the right hand side, which is at the ones place 3. Let's write 3 here. So, 3 is at the ones place, which is at the tens place 6. Let's write 6 here, 6 place. 100 place 5, so 5 at the 100 place, and then at the end 9, 9 at the 1000 place, so let's write this as the 1000 place. So this is the number names. Number name of 3 in the given number is at ones, 6 is at tens, 5 is at hundreds, and 9 is at 1000. What is the application, what how the questions are formed with this concept, we will see in the next in few minutes. But before that, let's understand one more topic, which is called place value and face value. Place value of a digit is the value at the position it occupies in the number. From the previous example, which was 9563, if I ask you what is the place value of 5 in the given number, so the place value of 5 in the given number will be the value of its position. So what is its position? Let's start from the right. We know this is ones, we know this is tens, we know this is hundreds, and we know this is thousands, right? So place value of 5 in the given number is 5 multiplied by its place, its position, which is 100. So 100, that is 500. So place value of 5 in the given number 9563 is 500. What is the face value of a digit in face value of a digit? Face value of a digit is same as the digit itself in the number. It means that, let's understand in a very simple term, face value, face, the way it looks. Let's say 5 in the given number. How does it look like? It looks like 5. So its face value will be 5. So the way, that's why it is mentioned, is same as the digit itself, right? The way it is looking, how it's looking, 5. So face value will be 5. Let's say in the same example, what is the face value of 6? 6, face value of 6 would be 6 because it looks like 6. So the face value of 6 in the given number is 6, right? There is one important point that to be noted here, which I will highlight for you to keep that in mind. Okay, just keep this in mind. The place value and face value of a digit at one's place in a number is always same. At one's place in a number is always same. How? Let's say this is the example 9563. Okay, 9563. What is the place value? 3 at one's place multiplied by 1. 3. What is the face value of 3 in the given number? How does it look like? It looks like 3, so it is 3. So place value and face value of a digit at one's place in the number is always same, right? So you can be asked a direct question on this concept. So just keep a note of it somewhere. We'll see how we can solve questions, direct questions from there. Now coming on to number on abacus. We know that abacus is a tool which is used for counting, right? Abacus is a tool which is used for counting. How it helps in counting? You see the place position is given 1s, 10s, 100 and thousands. As many figure is given at each position, that will help in counting that number. For example, at one's place there are 1, 2, 3. Three figures are there, so 3. At tens place it is 2, so 2. At 100 place it is 1, so 1. 1000 place it is 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4. So it means that this number is 4000. 4000, see, 4123. How we have arrived at that? 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at 1000 position, right? So 4 at 1000 position. So 4 multiplied by 1000, 4000. 1 is at hundreds place. So 1 multiplied by 100 is 100. 2 is at tens place. So 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. And then 3 is at ones place. So 3 multiplied by 1 is, you add it all, 3, 2, 1, 4. So the number is 4123. This is how number is counted on abacus. Okay. Now there is one more topic and then we will do few exercise questions. Expanded form and short form. What is expanded form? Expanded form is the sum of the place values of its digits. Just now I explained you. Let's take one example. Let's take the example of from the previous abacus, 4123. This is the number. This is the short form of the number. Now, if I have to expand this number, then how it will be expanded? So let's write the place, position, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So this is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousand, right? So let's start. 4 is at thousand place. So 4 into 1000, 4000. 1 is at 100 place. So 1 into 100 is equal to 100. Let me erase this for your better understanding. Okay, so 1. Now 2 is at tens place, so 2 multiplied by 10, that is 20. And 3 is at ones place, 3 multiplied by 1, 3. So the expanded form would be 4000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. This is the expanded form. It's as simple as that. So if the number is given in short form and you have to ask to write the expanded form, this would be the expanded form. If the number is given in the expanded form and you are asked to write it in the short form, just add all and you will get the short form. Now let's do some exercise, practice question. You read this question and you try to answer this question. I give you 10 seconds for this. And after that, I will explain you solve this question. So let's get it started. Your time starts now. Okay, so I'm sure you must have solved this question. The question is the place value of 9 in the number 5974 is. So place value, let's start from the right most side. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, and then this is 1000, right? So it is asking place value of 9. It means 9 multiplied by at what place, at what position it is? It is at hundreds. So 9 multiplied by 100 is equal to 900 is the place value of 9 in the given number 5974. So C would be the right answer. Fine. So let's move on to the question number two. I'll give you 10 seconds for this. You solve this question and your time starts now. All right. So now let's look at this question. Which of the following shows expanded form of the number 7489, 7489? So for the expanded form, I have told you that okay, so let's write the number here 7489. It is at ones place, it is at tens place, it is at hundreds place, and it is at thousand place, right? So 7 is at thousand place. Let's solve this. 7 into 1000 is equal to 7000. 4 is at hundreds place, so 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. 8 is at tens place, so 8 multiplied by 10 is 80. 9 is at ones place, so 9 multiplied 1 is equal to 9. So the expanded form of the given number would be 7000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 9. So here you have the option 7000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 9, right? Okay, fine. So let's move on to the next question. You read this question and try to solve this in 10 seconds and your time starts now. All right, so let's look at this question. The largest four digit number is, so you know that the when we have to find the largest digit number of given, we know that largest one digit number is 9, largest two digit numbers are as many digits it is asked, you give the position for that and you give so many nines. So largest two digit number is two nines, that is 99. Likewise, largest three digit numbers, give three positions, write all the nines. So 999. Likewise, largest four digit number, give four place and write four nines. So 9999. This is your answer. Likewise, if it is asked for the smallest number, so one digit smallest number is 1. If it is asked two digit smallest number, give two positions. On the left hand side, write 1 and for the remaining place, give 0. Smallest three digit number, give three positions on the left hand side, 1 and then two zeros. Smallest four digit number, four positions on the left hand side, 1 and then three zeros. So this is the largest digit and this is the smallest digit. To answer this question, the largest four digit number is four nines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. So C, option C is your answer. All right, after this practice question, let's move on to the comparison of numbers. What do you mean by comparison of number? It's very obvious. You have number 1, there is a number 1 and there is a number 2. So there are two numbers given, n1 and n2. You need to compare which one is bigger, which one is smaller, or is it equal, or you can't determine. So these are the generally four options there, right? So let's start. Let's say there are two numbers given, 7, 2, 1 or 4, 1. Okay. Likewise, and let's say 4, 1, 5. There are two, three ways of doing it very quickly, comparing number very quickly. Let's say this is 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. If the number of digits are higher, that will be the bigger number. Obviously, right? It is 7,241. This is only four. This is 3-digit number, 415. So this is bigger and this is smaller. Use the sign here, right? Fine. Let's take another example. Okay. Let's take 8542 as a number and then 3146. You have to compare these two numbers. So you start with the maximum from the extreme left hand side. So at the thousand place in this number is 8 and at the thousand place, same position, you compare the digits 8 and 3. 8 is bigger than 3, so this number will be bigger. Very obvious, right? Thousand place digit is 8, which is bigger than 3, so this number will be bigger. Even if you see it 8,542, this is only 3,146, so obviously this one will be bigger. Now, uh, now let's take another example. Let's say 7654 and then 7432. So I told you when you have to compare, you start with the extreme left. At the thousand place, it is 7. This is also 7. Both are same. Then you go to hundreds place. So compare this 100 place and compare this 100 place digit. This is 6 and this is 4. So 6 is bigger. So obviously this number will be bigger, right? So likewise, thousands, hundreds. If 100 digits are also same, then you will compare tens. If tens are also same, then you will compare ones. If ones are also same, it means that both number equal. Otherwise, you will find the answer. Okay. So this is the concept of comparison of number. Very simple, very easy. Now coming to ascending and descending order. You see, when you go up, this is ascending. Going up, this is ascending. Means from the smaller position to higher, right? To the high you are. So it is ascending. So from smaller to bigger, right? Or that is ascending. From smallest to the largest, that is ascending. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 is small, 2 is bigger than that, 3 is bigger than that, 4 is bigger than that. It means it is ascending order. Likewise, descending. So descending will be when you are coming down. You are descending from the mountain, from this top, right? So descending is largest to smallest. Just keep this in mind. Keep this picture in mind. You will not get confused. When you are going up from a smaller position to larger position, this is ascending. When you are coming down from larger position to a smaller position, this is descending, right? So let's say 8, 7, 6, 5. So 8 is bigger than smaller to that is 7, then 6, then 5. You are coming down from here, right? So this is descending order, right? Likewise, questions will be asked that you have to give a number as arrange it in ascending order or descending order. Now, forming numbers with and without repetition of digits. This is one concept, and after that, there will be few practice questions, and then we will do the exercise. So, forming numbers with and without. Why these two terms are given, with and without repetition of digits? I'll explain this to you. Let's say the question is form the greatest 4-digit number from the given digits 2018. Form number or the largest 4-digit number from the given digits 2018, right? How it changes with and without repetition. If it says with repetition, means you can repeat a digit. So it is asking 4 digits, largest number. So we'll give the place position of 4. Then it is asking largest number with repetition. Repetition of digits are allowed. It means that you can use any of these digits as many times as you want. Which is the largest digit among this number? Among these digits? It is 8. 8 will be at the extreme left hand side. Since repetition is allowed, you will use the same 888 at all the positions, and it will give you the largest 4-digit number when a repetition is allowed. Likewise, when repetition is not allowed, so 4 positions 1, 2, 3, 4. When repetition is not allowed, right? 2018. Let me make it little. Okay, so 2018. Which is the largest among all these? This is 8. Okay, and then 8 is gone. After that, among 201, which is the largest? 2. So 2 is already, now we will use 2, then 1, and then 0. So here, repetition is not allowed. So the largest 4-digit number will be 8210. When repetition is allowed, you can use the largest digit as many times as you want, and you will get the largest 4-digit number. There is one, there is one sorry, there is one point that you need to keep in mind. When 0 is given and you have to ask 4-digit number, be it a smaller, right, a smaller 4-digit number, you cannot use 0 at the extreme left place. Why so? If you use this, so 0, 1, 2, 8, then it becomes 3-digit number. It will not be 4-digit number. Then with this 2018, how you will form the smallest 4-digit number? Give 4 positions, keep 0 as reserved. You will not start with 0, otherwise it will be 3-digit number. So after 0, in the given number, which is the smallest? In the given digit, which is the smallest? 1 is the smallest. You will start with 1, then 0 was in reserve, you will use 0 here, then next smallest is 2, and then after that 8. So 1028 will be your smallest 4-digit number in this case. All right, you practice this question. You will get 10 seconds for this, and your time starts now. Okay, so the next question is, which of the following number is the largest number? How you will find the largest number? Very simple. From the extreme left hand side at the thousand place, start comparing. Okay, start comparing. Which is the largest? 6, 5, 6, 5. It means between 6 and 5, 6 is largest. So this is ruled out, and then this is ruled out. Now thousand place are compared. 6, 6. Very nice. Move on to the hundreds place. 8 and 9. So of course 9 is bigger. So uh, this number will be the largest number. 6905. Simple, right? Compare thousand place, then compare hundreds place, then compare tens place, then compare ones place. Very simple. 6, 5, 6, 5. 5 are ruled out. Remaining, move on to the hundreds place, then tens place, and then ones place. Okay, you solve this question in 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Right, so this question is the largest 4-digit number formed from the digits without repetition. 4-digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this repetition is not allowed. And you have to form largest 4-digit number. So among given digits 2680, which is the largest? Of course, 8 is the largest. 8, you will strike it off. After that 6 is there. 6, and then 2, and then 0. So 8620 will be your largest 4-digit number without repetition. Let's say if repetition is allowed, then which one will be your number? So 2680. Among these, 8 is the largest. Repetition is allowed. So at all places, we will put 8. It will become, this will become the largest four-digit number when repetition is allowed. All right. So let's practice this last question. After that, we will do the exercise. Compare and fill the box. Compare these numbers 3969, 3964. I asked you to start comparing with thousand place. 3, 3, both are same. Hundreds place. 9, 9, both are same. 6, 6. Tens place, both are same. Ones place, 9 and 4. Of course, 9 is bigger than 4 at ones place. It means that this number will be bigger. This number will be the bigger number. Alright, so your option A will be the right answer. Fine. So we'll move on to exercise now. But before that, a few important concepts, points that you should keep in mind. Even numbers. What are even numbers? Numbers ending with 02468. So let's say there is a number 4562. At ones place, if it is 2, okay, 02468, then it will be an even number. Which are the digits? 02468. Likewise, if the number is ending with 13579, then it will be an odd number. Let's say the example 3579. Which digit is at the ones place? 9. So 13579. Any of these digits, if it is there at the ones place, it means that it will be an odd number. So this will be an odd number. I have already told you during the previous slide when we were talking, solving the question, 0 can't be written on the extreme left place of a number while forming a number. Let's say four-digit number. There are four digits given, 3, 5, 7, 9. And you have to form a four-digit, oh, sorry, let's say 10 should be there. So 3509. And you have to form four-digit number. If you put 0 at the extreme left-hand side, then or the extreme left place, then and you use 359, then it will become three-digit number, not the four-digit number, right? You have to form a four-digit number, so you can't use 0 at the extreme left place when you have to form a four-digit number. I hope you understand this concept. Very okay. So with this, we have understood the concept along with the fifth practice questions. In the next video, you will have the exercise solved from 1 to 35, including the achiever sections from the exercise given, and then 5 more questions. So total 40 questions we are going to solve. We are going to practice from the exercise. You will have the part 2 of this video very soon for exercise and its solution. Till then, goodbye, all the best, keep practicing and do well. Thank you.